Aloha mai kākou. In this ha'awina, this lesson today, we're going to learn how to count in ʻōlelo, Hawaiʻi. The Hawaiian word for count or number is helu. E ho'opili mai, say that with me. Helu. Maikaʻi loa. There are several reasons why it's important to learn your helu in ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, your numbers in the Hawaiian language. Maybe you have to share your helu kelepona or your phone number with someone, or your helu wahinoho, your address with someone, or ehia o makahiki, how old are you? Learning helu can help in many different circumstances. So let's practice na helu, our numbers in ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi. We're going to start with ʻole, or 0, and go up to 10, ʻumi. Makaukau, are you ready? Let's do it together. Oia. ʻOle, ʻekahi, ʻelua, ʻekolu, ʻehā, ʻelima, ʻeono, ʻehiku, ʻewalu, ʻeiwa, ʻumi. Maikaʻi, let's do it together. Makaukau? Oia. ʻOle, ʻekahi, ʻelua, ʻekolu, ʻehā, ʻelima, ʻeono, ʻehiku, ʻewalu, ʻeiwa, ʻumi. Now, if you want to count past 10 or past ʻumi, there's a formula. And we use this formula as we continue our numbers higher and higher. So when we start with 11, we're going to use ʻumi, which means 10. And then we're going to connect it with the word kūmā. Kūmā is a word that means to be beside or to be with something. And then you're going to add on the ones place by simply dropping the e at the beginning of our one numbers and just using the ending part of that word. So it would sound like this for ʻekahi, kahi. ʻelua would be lua. ʻekolu would be kolu. So you're just going to drop that a sound at the beginning. Now we're going to practice that formula by counting from 11 to 20. Makaukau, are you ready? ʻUmikūmākahi. ʻUmikūmālua. ʻUmikūmākolu. ʻUmikūmāhā. ʻUmikūmālima. ʻUmikūmāono. ʻUmikūmāhiku. ʻUmikūmāwalu. ʻUmikūmāiwa. ʻIwakālua. Maikaʻi, you've just learned how to count from ʻole to ʻIwakālua. Now it's time to build upon that. Let's move on by learning the different words for our tens place numbers. So we've already learned ʻumi is 10, ʻIwakālua is 20. Now we're going to practice from 30 to 100. E ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Kana kolu, kana hā, kana lima, kana ono, kana hiku, kana walu, kana iwa, ho'okahi haneli. Maikaʻi loa. We're going to apply the same formula that we used for our numbers from 11 to 19 to our tens numbers. For instance, if I wanted to say 33, it would sound like this. Kana kolu, kuma, kolu. Let's try another number. Let's try 72. Kana hiku, kuma, lua. Maikaʻi loa. Let's try a number in the 20s. 27. ʻIwakālua kumahiku. If you enjoyed this Ha'awina ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kahalehoaka. And if you want to check out all the different workshops, classes, and offerings that we have online, visit kahalehoaka.com. Ahui ho, malama pono.